कम्युनिदादीच्या जमिनीचेर फक्त गांवकार आणि भागधारकांचोच अधिकार आसा। हातूंत सरकाराक हस्तक्षेप करपाचो कसलोच अधिकार ना। सरकारान कम्युनिदाद जमिनीचेर बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां नियमित करपाचो यत्न केलो जाल्यार सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात वतले म्हणून उत्तर गोंय कम्युनिदादीच्या मुखेल्यांनी सरकाराक शिटकावणी दिल्या।
कम्युनिदादीच्या जमिनींचेर फकत गांवकार आणि भागधारकांचोच अधिकार आसा। हातूंत सरकाराक हस्तक्षेप करपाचो कसलोच अधिकार ना म्हणून उत्तर गोंय कम्युनिदाद समित्यांचे मुखेली सांगतात। कम्युनिदादी वाटेयात गोंय वाटेयात या बॅनरा खाला उत्तर गोंय कम्युनिदाद समित्यांची मुखेल्यांनी आसगांव कम्युनिदादीच्या कार्यालयात जागृताय बसका घेतली। हे जागृताय बसकेक उत्तर गोंयच्या कम्युनिदाद समित्यांचे मुखेली हजर आशिल्ले। सरकारान कम्युनिदाद जमनीवेली बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां कायदेशीर करपाचो यत्न केलो जाल्यार ताका सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात आव्हान दितले म्हणून तांणी शिटकावणी दिल्या।
Imagine we going at the side. So for me is like a shield, and my right person is the finance manager who never rejects many proposal of my finance, and because of this we can carry this work of this managing committee of the Communidade Land Issue.
Specific, the government is now threatening basically to enact a legislature where they are going to regularize illegal structures in Communidade and other panchayat areas and all, but mainly Communidade. For that, the Communidade of Asagaon has raised an objection to this. This is the document where we all raise an objection. The signatures of my president, myself and my treasurer are all here. We strongly oppose this jurisdiction which they are trying to bring to regularize illegal structures. I would like to tell the government that first they should set their house in order.
गाँवच्या लोकांक शेअर होल्डरांक काय ना, even our dividend we don't know how much to pay. We are in such a pathetic condition state right now. I'm in my second term now, just elected for a second term. First term went getting.
From here onwards, we are traveling on the right path of achieving our objectives and aims of coming together in the first place and addressing all that we need to address.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.